Whoa, it's a big one. Don't let it go in the weeds.
Whoa! Huh? That was gold.
Carp.
It's a carp?
Yeah, I saw something like it was yellow. Fighting.
Goldfish?
Goldfish, what the heck? Oh, you see it? Right there.
Wait.
Heck a big, mama.
Really?
Yeah.
You gotta know how to play with it. Once it's going.
Whoa!
Mommy, whoa. Look, mama, look at it.
What's up?
Look. Daddy. Get it, Daddy. Get it. Oh, cow.
Whoa, what kind of fish is it?
Trout.
There we go.
Rainbow trout.
The first one.
There's one. Ha, ha, ha.
You caught the first one, Thon?
Fish. I first thought it was a big giant carp too.
Yeah, because that's a carp. But it was a fighter. It was heck of fighting. You caught the first fish, Thon. It's pretty tight.
Biggest fish ever? What was the biggest
Hey, that's a pretty good sized fish. It was hella fighting you, though.
Here, untangle that.